Good morning, my dear students. Now I am going to explain about basics in social studies. That to be fourth class lesson, our Earth, the continents and ocean. Our Earth. Our Earth. We are also living one among the planets. How many planets we have? Exactly 8 planets. Among the 8 planets, our Earth also presented. First, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. We have these 8 planets. Earth is also one of the planet. Where life is, we are observing only Earth life is available. Okay? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Pluto is not considered as planet. Earlier it was considered as planet. But right now, how many planets we have? 8 planets. Okay? Our Earth. Generally, we are observing the globe in school or else somewhere else. If you go any officials' offices, rooms, generally on the table we are observing the globe. Globe is look like this ball. Okay, suppose in the middle one bar we are seeing. So here like this, generally we are observing the globe. How it is? It is look like a circle. So here this side, top and bottom, little bit flatten. In the middle we are observing the bulge. This is top part, generally we called as North Pole, and bottom part we called as South Pole. Okay, shape is circle. Generally its shape is sphere. What is it? Sphere. Okay. So if you imagine it is a globe, 71% it contains water. 71% globe contains water. 29% it contains land. Where we are living? On land we are living. 29% only land presented on our planet. Do you know? Did you hear? Okay. 71% our planet contains water. How, sir? I will show. Hold on. See this one. Here we are observing continents. Here we are observing blue shade. This blue shade indicates the okay, indicates the water. Okay, now this is land area. Blue color is water. How much land area presented on planet? 29% land area presented. How much water covered on this planet? 71% water covered this planet. Okay, now. Okay. Let me explain regarding our Earth. Just now I explained you life, bacteria, animals, human beings, everything living on our Earth. Why especially life is available on Earth? Because how we are breathing, what we are breathing? Air. Air is very important part and parcel of our life. Without air, human beings cannot survive. Animals cannot survive. Okay? So this air is available on the planet only, on Earth only. Okay? Which planet? On Earth only. Suppose Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, there is no, okay, that means oxygen not presented on those planets. Only oxygen presented on Earth. That will be, if you take universe, okay, universe. So see, sun, here planets are there like this. Planets are moving around the sun. Okay. So third one is Earth. Earth. Mercury, Venus, Earth. If you see distance point of view, Earth, the planet located, okay, so in a position which life is available, that means it is in very comfortable position, Earth. Okay, now suppose if you see Mars, here temperatures are very high. That means sometimes 100 centigrades temperatures are recording. Okay, 100 above. Then Venus, highest temperatures are recording. Then especially Earth, temperatures are moderate. That means 20 degrees, 25 degrees, 30 degrees. Such a way temperatures are registering on Earth. That's why life is, okay, surviving on Earth. Do you understand? Very good. So location also playing vital role. Okay. Let me explain about continents. First, I will explain continents. First of all, I explained you about Earth. Especially Earth is one of the planet. Okay, 71% water is we are observing on Earth. 29% land is there on Earth. Just we will discuss regarding this information. Now 29% land area is there. Regarding that I will explain very clearly. Continents are presented. How many continents are there? We have 7 continents. What are they? Anybody can say. Tell me. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. How many continents I have written? 7 continents. What are they? Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. How many are there? 7 continents are there. One by one, very clearly I will explain. Just observe this world map. Here, from west side to east side, I will explain the continents. By that time, you are very comfortable to understand. This is North America continent. This is South American continent. This is North American continent. This is South American continent. This is Europe. Third one is Europe. This one Europe. This one Africa. This one Asia. We are living in Asian continent. India is located here. Here Antarctica. This one Australia. Got it, I think so, everybody. North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, Antarctica. Okay, one by one I will explain. First of all, our continent, Asia. Asia is located here. This is the position of Asia. It is the largest continent. Which is the largest continent? Asia is the largest continent. Largest continent. Regarding Asia, now I am explaining. Asia is the largest continent among all the continents. Okay. So, what are the important features we are observing in this continent? Lot of geographical variations are presented in Asia. Okay. Then, most populous countries in the world are located here. In which country most population is located? Yes, anybody can say. China. Second most populous country, India. First most populous country, China. Second most populous country, India. These two are located in Asia. Agricultural lands, mountains, rivers, oceans, everything located in Asia. Okay. Most highest peaks in the world located in Asian continent. Most highest peaks in the world located in Asia. If I say, then your brain will think, imagine, so what is the highest peak in the world? So tell me, anybody? Yes, exactly. Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Where it is located? In Asia it is located. In Nepal it is located. Okay. Himalayas also located in Asia, Asian continent. So India, Pakistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, all together called as subcontinent. These countries are called as subcontinent countries. Why these countries are called as subcontinent countries? We are sharing same cultural values, same type of life we are observing. Okay, same type of life we have, especially these people are contains same cultural values. Okay, same type of climatic conditions are prevailed in these areas. Their cultures are almost all same. That's why it is called as subcontinent. In later point of time regarding subcontinent, I will give clear explanation. In this regard, it is enough. Okay, subcontinent countries also located here. Okay, these are the important features we observe in Asian continent. It is the largest continent. China, most populous country in the world. India, second most populous country in the world, located here. Geographical variations we are observing in this continent. Different kinds of soils, different kinds of rivers, different kinds of plateaus, different kind of wildlife we can observe in Asian continent. Most highest peaks in the world are located in Asian continent. So subcontinent countries contain same cultural values. They are following same cultural things. So these subcontinent countries are India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal. These countries are called as subcontinent countries. Okay, these are the important features we can observe in Asian continent. Okay. Next one, Africa. This one, Asia. First one. Second one, Africa. Second largest continent is Africa. So before going to that African continent, before going to explain African continent, I will explain you a little bit more information regarding continents. These continents surrounded by large stretches of water. These continents surrounded by large stretches of water. These large stretches of water called as oceans. I will tell you later in that part. Okay. These large stretches of land area is called as continent. So stretch of large area. This is also a stretch of large area. This is also a stretch of large area. This is also a stretch of large area. These stretches of large areas called as continents. These stretch of water is called as oceans. Let me explain about Africa. Africa is the second largest continent. What are the important feature contains African continent? If I say Africa, immediately what you will remember? So enormous wildlife available in Africa. Okay, different types of animals, different types of life available in Africa. So I am asking one question to you. So which is the largest desert? Very good. Sahara. Sahara Desert. Where Sahara Desert is located? In Africa, Sahara Desert is located. This is African continent. So here, that means this is west part, this is north part, this is east part, this is south part. West, north, in this area, total this area covered by Sahara Desert. Okay na? So this Sahara Desert is located in African continent. Kalahari Desert also located in African continent. Which are the important countries are there in African continent? South Africa, you know very well. While seeing the cricket match, South Africa, we are playing with the South African team also. South Africa, Cameroon, Nigeria, Ghana, Algeria, Libya, Egypt, Kenya, Ethiopia. These are the important countries located in Africa. These Asian continent and African continent both occupied by European superpowers and ruled many years by these European superpowers. Okay, so world largest desert, Sahara Desert, located in Africa. Kalahari Desert also located in Africa. So gold, diamonds, these are presented. Enormous reserves are presented in Africa. Gold, Kimberley, Johannesburg, these two places are located in South Africa. These two are very famous. Okay, here which reserves are located? Diamonds, gold reserves are located here. Okay, if you see Asia, north part of Asia, Arctic Ocean is located. East part of Asia, Pacific Ocean is located. South part of Asia, Indian Ocean is located. Okay, north part of Asia, Arctic Ocean is located. Then east part of Asia, Pacific Ocean is located. South part of Asia, Indian Ocean is located. Okay, then this side, west side, continents are there. Continents are presented. Come here, Africa. All four sides, Africa covered by water. Asia, okay, if you observe the Asian continent, Asia, how many sides water covered here? 3 sides. Just now I explained you. Asian, if you see Asian point of view, 3 sides water bodies covered. So come down here, for all 4 sides, these water presented. For example, if you see east side, Indian Ocean is located. If you come down, Southern Ocean is located. Southern Ocean is presented. If you come this side, west side, which ocean is presented? Atlantic Ocean is presented. Then top part, that is north part of Africa, Mediterranean Sea is located. Which sea is located? Mediterranean Sea. See, north news. North Mediterranean Sea, east Indian Ocean, west Atlantic Ocean, south Southern Ocean. So lot of variations we can observe, lot of different kinds of soils, different kind of wildlife also presented in Africa, like Asia. These are the important features contains African continent. Okay, earlier in the 16th century, 17th century. Okay, from here black people carried to USA. Okay, so regarding that I will explain you later classes. So that is all about African continent. Do you understand regarding Asian continent as well as African continent? Do you understand? I think so.